Good day, class. Today we're going to learn about Namibia's climate zones and its rainfall patterns. Now imagine packing your bag to travel across Namibia. You will see places that look very different from each other. In one place you'll find tall red sand dunes with almost no water. In another you'll walk through green forests with elephants and hippos splashing in the river. And in between there are rocky mountains, wide grasslands, and sandy deserts. Why is Namibia so different from place to place? The answer is climate and rainfall. Namibia is one of the driest countries in Africa. Most of the land gets less than 350 milliliters of rain per year. That's less than what many other countries get in a single rainy season. This is why water is so important in Namibia, and why many people rely on rivers, dams, and underground water. But not all areas are the same. Namibia has different climate zones. Let's travel through them together. Our first stop is the Namib Desert, along the Atlantic Ocean. This is one of the oldest deserts in the world. Scientists think it's over 55 million years old. Some places here get less than 10 milliliters of rain per year. That's almost nothing. Instead of rain, the coast has fog that rolls in from the cold Atlantic Ocean. The fog is so important that the beetles, lizards, and even some plants drink the water from it. The climate here is extremely dry, hot in the day, and cool at night. That's why only tough plants like Welwitschia and hardy animals like oryx can survive here. Now we climb up into the Central Plateau. This is where most Namibians live, including the capital city of Windhoek. The climate here is called semi-arid, which means somewhat dry. Rainfall is very low, about 300 to 400 milliliters per year. Temperatures can change a lot. Very hot in summer days, but chilly at night, especially in winter. This is the farming heart of Namibia. People keep cattle, goats, and grow crops like maize and millet, but they must depend on the rainy season. Next, we head east to the Kalahari Desert. This is not like the Namib. It's a sandy but not empty place. The Kalahari gets more rain, about 200 to 500 milliliters a year, so it has grass, shrubs, and even trees. After good rains, it looks green and alive with springbuck, zebras, and meerkats running around. The Kalahari is home to many people, including the San people, who have lived here for thousands of years, hunting and gathering food. Finally, we travel north to the Bushveld and Caprivi Strip. This is the wettest part of Namibia. It can get up to 600 milliliters of rain per year. It is hot and humid, and you'll see forests, rivers, and plenty of wildlife. Animals like elephants, hippos, and crocodiles live near the rivers. But sometimes too much rain causes infunda, which means floods that can damage homes and roads. This area is very important for farming. People grow crops like maize, sorghum, and mahangu because of the wetter climate. Let's look at the big picture. Rain in Namibia mostly falls in the summer months, during November and April. The winter months, from May to August, are usually dry and cooler. But also this depends on the amount of rain that we get in Namibia. We all know that when we have a very good rainy season, our winter months actually get icy cold, and sometimes we have frost happening as well. Rain falls unevenly in Namibia. In the west coast, almost no rain, just fog. In the middle and south, some rain, but still quite dry. The north and northeast is the wettest, with rivers and green vegetation. As you can see here on the map, the red areas are the areas that get very, very little rainfall. And as we go to dark blue, that's the most rainfall. Okay, so the pattern is simple. Very dry in the west, a little more rain in the center, and the wettest in the north. So, Namibia may look dry, but its different climates makes it special. The foggy Namib Desert, the dry Central Plateau, the sandy Kalahari, and the green bushveld in the north. These zones and the rainfall they receive shape the way people live, what animals survive, and how farmers grow food. Next time you see a map of Namibia, remember, the rain is not shared equally, and that is why Namibia is such a land of contrast. Thank you for listening.